There is a similar rule whenever things are subtracting. It's pretty much the same thing. The square of a minus b is the square of a, comma, minus twice the product of a and b, comma, plus the square of b. After you write down the words for this definition, write down both the symbol form and the example that they gave you. The most important part about the symbol form is that it's a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. It's the first number squared minus 2 times the numbers multiplying together plus the second number squared. This isn't a brand new formula. This is just a pattern that happens, and you would have noticed the same pattern if we didn't miss a week of school and if you were practicing lots of multiplying. Okay, the square of a difference. A minus b squared equals a squared. And here's the only part that's different, is that now that we're subtracting, we're going to subtract the middle term, minus 2ab, and then the last part is still going to be plus b squared. So let's do this one. 3c is going to be squared minus, we're going to do 2 times a times b. A is 3c, b is the number 4. It's not negative 4 because we already put the negative sign right there, so we don't have to put the negative 4 right here. I'm going to show you something in a second though, after we finish this one. Plus 4 squared, which is b. So now we have to distribute the squared to mean 9c squared. 2 times 4 makes 8, and 8 times 3 makes 24, c, plus 16. And we're done. Let's just check that. Let's make sure that this formula actually gives us the same answer as if we multiplied it the regular way. 3c minus 4 squared. This means that we are doing 3c minus 4 times 3c minus 4. To get that answer, we'll do the 3c times the 3c. And if you notice, that's the same thing times itself. So that's going to be 9c squared. So that's where that first part comes from. Squaring a comes from, because whenever you would have distributed, you would have done the first thing times the first thing. Then let's do the next part. 3c times negative 4 makes negative 12c. Negative 4 times 3c also makes negative 12c. Finally, we have to do the negative 4 times the negative 4, which is negative 4 squared, which is plus 16. So already we can see that we already have the first thing squared and the second thing squared, which is a squared and b squared. And no, this is not it's not related to the Pythagorean theorem at all. Let's do another example. We'll have the 3 squared. which makes a plus 9. And in the middle, we're going to be subtracting 2 times 3, which makes 6. And then we're going to double that to make 12. And don't forget the variable. So just by thinking about the formula, the pattern, and then squaring the first one, putting it first, squaring the second one, putting it last, and then doing twice the two inner terms, multiplying together, we can have our answer, and we did it in our head.